Hello, I've got a new camera today, a GoPro 7 Black, and I'm just going to unbox it. I also bought myself some sort of tripod-y thingy, so let's do that one first, shall we? Get it out of the way. To avoid dangerous... Oh yes, I've got one of these plastic bags where they have the warning on it not to suffocate children with it and stuff, so I suppose you know, people need to be told, don't they? Otherwise, let me get some scissors actually, because otherwise they will go around suffocating children with it and treating it as a toy and stuff. So, okay. Scissors. Because this plastic is a little hard to tear always, I find. Okay, there we go. So this is meant to be a three-way tripod or something. So let's see what it actually is. Oh, it comes out like that. And there are some directions on the box as well, if you can see those. I don't know what they mean, but I guess there's lots of different configurations. And there is a thing for screwing it to the GoPro. And I suppose I would somehow put the camera on it. It's already, I don't know how to use it, right? Maybe that's loosened, no, I don't know. There we are, and stuff happens. So I guess this goes through there, into the GoPro, and I don't know what I've done here yet. And there's a little bit of plastic here, there's a lock button, maybe that's it, yes. Why is there a bit of plastic on that? Oh, to tell me that it's a lock button probably. There we go, just taking it off, that little blue button there. There we go, so if I'm just using it as a handheld thing, there it is. I don't know if I can take this off altogether, possibly I can. I will have to study the manual. That is okay. My current camera is a DSLR, and its stabiliser is, together with the camera, about 2.5 kilos, which is, I don't know, something like £5 to carry in old money. And what's this thing at the bottom here as well? I don't know. Ooh, it comes out. Oh, there we go. We have a little tripod. How about that? Pretty good. Let's try and get it in the shot. There we go. I suppose that might come off. I don't know. That's quite good. Very nice. Neatly packaged in the bottom there. Are there any other instructions on here I should look at? Probably I'll have to study them carefully to see exactly all the different configurations, but it's pretty good. Yeah, oh, I see, it goes, it can sit in there and then you can stand the camera on top. Very nice. Let's get to the camera, shall we? This comes in another plastic bag where you're not supposed to suffocate children with it. There it is, in non-bio-friendly plastic or something. There's some strange hole here. Maybe this is for display purposes, eh? Let's have a look. There's a cardboard strip. There we go. Does it come out? I don't know, it doesn't want to. I'm going to be tempted to tear it next and figure out how to get this out of here. Oh, there we go. Right, so I don't know what I will use this for. The bin maybe. Don't know. So we've got some stuff. A little bit of plastic that says remove or something there. But you can see it's tiny. My old camera kit, as I was saying, weighs 2.5 kilos, 5 pounds. This camera is I think 116 grams, which is about 5 ounces in old American money. You've got some manuals, some important warranty stuff which nobody ever reads, some stickers, I don't know why, and some instructions. Okay. Oh, and get the app. That's what it says, get the app. Right. So, what else is in here? Oh, there's more bits. Many more bits. Right. A USB cable for charging, presumably. A sticky mounting plastic bit. Another one. A curved one for sticking on your helmet, I suppose, if you're a biker or something. A battery. Super tiny. Lithium ion, I guess. I'm guessing they're quite small. I'm hoping they'll last about an hour. I've ordered one spare one. May have to order some more, I don't know, because I tend to do long lasting videos. I have to figure out how to get this off here. Which is a good question. How do I get this off here? Oh, there's some instructions. How about that? Some instructions. Can you see them? So, up, okay. There's an arrow here going in, arrows on the sides, and I'm totally puzzled by this. I don't spend much time doing puzzles, but it does appear to move. Oh, you squeeze the sides in. Okay, you squeeze the sides in, and then it will push off. Right. And I guess I don't need that anymore. Quite a lot of solid plastic for anything. Oops. Let's not destroy the camera. So there it is. I've got some sticker on the back of it of a turtle. Are there more instructions, by the way? I should double check. No, that's it. Okay, right. So, now we can look at these instructions, which are on this bit of paper here. Get it into shot. Off. There they are. There's a whole bunch of setup instructions here by the looks of it. Let's see what they tell me to do. First of all, pull this thing down or something. There's a little arrow on it there as well. And the net result is it doesn't move very easily. So I'm wondering... Oh, it's in a little case, I see. The camera is actually inside this plastic frame and I'm supposed to get it out of there, I guess. So I can put a battery in. Alright, so use a bit of force, then it comes off. Good. It sort of unclips like a Grolsch beer or something. And then the camera... Oh, oop. Okay, that catches on there. It comes out, I hope. Yeah. Or does it? Trying not to get my fingers on the lens here, but okay, there we go. We have that. So I suppose what I have to do, step 3, this thing slides, does it? It says. Do I have to press the button? Yes, I do. There we go. And then I can pop the battery in. Tiny little compartment. Can you see it? Yeah. Hope the camera knows to focus. It's a bit difficult for it, I know. Which way round? I'm supposing it'll be this way round. There we go. So it's in there. Step 4, there's some downward slidey thing on the side as well. Plug it in to charge it up. Right. Those are actually labelled. If you look, I don't know if you can see it, probably not. But one is labelled HDMI and the other is USB. USB-C. So I can plug the USB cable in and charge it up. Brilliant. Very good. Then when it's done, step 5, press that to switch it on. Press that to take photos or to start video recording. And you can stick things on your head and go into that. At the bottom there. Stick it on your head. There we go. Who knows, I might try it. But I'm not a bike rider. So there you are, it is unboxed. And now I've got to charge it up and figure out how it works. I may make another video about the controls and stuff. We shall see. But I'm hoping that this 119 grams or something will be rather easier to go around making videos with than my DSLR. I expect that this having a small lens means a small aperture, which means it will have trouble in dull weather or in the night time even. But for bright sunlight, day to day, it should be fine. Obviously I've seen the demo videos, it looks fine in bright weather. We'll see how it goes. Okay, bye for now.